If an average person earns 3.5 lakh rupees per month, it would take them 30 million years to become as wealthy as Elon Musk. Welcome back to another exciting video on Discover TV. In my previous video, you must have seen how Elon Musk amazed the world by earning more than $100 billion in just 1 year, surpassing Bill Gates and reaching the level of Jeff Bezos. Not only that, but for several days he maintained the top spot on the list of the world's richest people. Currently, the difference between the wealth of Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos is just $1 or $2 billion, making the battle for the first and second position an ongoing competition. The owner of SpaceX, The Boring Company, OpenAI, and Starlink, Elon Musk, today has a net worth of $180 billion, which is approximately 13,680 crore rupees. It wouldn't be wrong to say that Elon Musk alone is wealthier than many entire neighborhoods in the world. In fact, his wealth surpasses the GDP of 135 countries, including Qatar, Kuwait, and Oman, which have a GDP of less than $180 billion. In total, there are 140 countries whose entire economies are smaller than Musk's fortune. Human nature dictates that when someone acquires immense wealth, they automatically start spending more. In this segment of the video, you will learn how the world's richest person, Elon Musk, spends his money and where. When it comes to cars, Elon Musk may not own hundreds, but his passion for automobiles led him to create one of the world's most powerful car manufacturing companies, Tesla, which is now a global brand. Musk enjoys not only the latest luxury cars, but also vintage models. His car collection includes a 1922 Ford Model T, which was one of the most influential cars of its time, and a 1967 Jaguar E-Type Roadster, a car he always wanted since childhood and purchased with his first earnings. He also owns a 1976 Lotus Esprit, which was featured in the James Bond movie The Spy Who Loved Me, where it transformed into a submarine with the press of a button. Musk was fascinated by this car as a child, and when it was auctioned in 2013, he immediately bought it for $1 million, approximately 7.5 crore rupees. However, upon learning that the car couldn't actually transform, he was disappointed and decided to modify it at Tesla's factory to make it a real transforming submarine. Musk also owned a 1978 BMW 328, which could accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour. His collection included a 1997 McLaren F1, which was destroyed in a severe accident, as well as a BMW M5, Tesla Roadster, the first ever model of this car, and several Tesla vehicles like the Model S Performance and Cybertruck. Moving beyond cars to luxury mansions, Elon Musk owns properties worth a total of $100 million, approximately 760 crore rupees in California alone. However, he is one of the few billionaires who prefers living in a rented home.
In 2020, he tweeted about his decision to sell all his mansions and live in a rental house. His primary residence is in Los Angeles, near Bel Air, after facing constant disturbances from the public, including incidents where people climbed over his home's walls. Musk decided to buy the surrounding houses as well. His 228 crore rupee mansion spans 20,000 square feet and features 7 bedrooms, multiple bathrooms, a high-ceiling lounge, a swimming pool, a tennis court, a gym, and breathtaking views of the Bel Air Country Club. One of his other mansions, worth 75 crore rupees, has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a swimming pool. Interestingly, this house was previously a private school for his children. Musk also owns 2 adjacent mansions, one worth 150 crore rupees and another worth 180 crore rupees. Later, he bought a double-story property on the same street for 32 crore rupees, bringing his total number of properties in Bel Air to 5. Outside Bel Air, Musk also owns a 100-year-old mansion near the San Francisco Peninsula, valued at 265 crore rupees, covering 16,000 square feet. This estate features historic antique furniture, a grand mirrored living room, an elegant entrance hall, a lavish dining room, a high-end kitchen, and an outdoor pool, offering scenic views of the San Francisco Bay. Many of these properties have already been listed for sale online. Musk also once owned a house in Brentwood, California, where he lived with his ex-wife. Purchased in 2014, This modern house was later sold in 2019 for $4 million, approximately 30 crore rupees. Despite owning so many luxurious properties, Musk prefers sleeping on a sofa inside his factory. In an interview, he revealed that he works 15 hours a day and prefers staying at the factory to monitor operations closely, rather than wasting time commuting home. Apart from cars and properties, Musk does not spend extravagantly on luxury vacations or parties, but he does own private jets. Whether traveling between his factories or attending a SpaceX rocket launch, Musk avoids commercial flights to save time and money, considering that one wasted minute for him is equivalent to losing $190,000, approximately 1.4 crore rupees. Waiting at airports would result in massive losses. Musk owns the Gulfstream G650 private jets, each capable of accommodating 17 passengers. These jets have convertible seating arrangements, entertainment systems, bathrooms, and mini kitchens. The cost of one Gulfstream G650 is $65 million, approximately 490 crore rupees, and Musk owns 2 of them. From Musk's journey to success to his extravagant expenditures, one thing is clear: instead of spending on luxury, he invests most of his wealth in future projects. We hope this short video by Discover TV brought you valuable insights. Thank you for your love and support. See you in the next exciting video.